Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can draft your own corset top pattern quick and easy, and this is probably the easiest way possible. You will need these 6 measurements for it: nipple to nipple, bust circumference, waist circumference, across chest, upper bust to bust, and bust to waist. I'll be showing you in an Illustrator since it's easier for me this way, plus I saved the paper. So if you're drafting this on a paper, the first thing you're gonna do is draw a long vertical line on which you're gonna mark first your upper bust to bust measurement and then your bust to waist measurement like this. This will be the length of your corset top. Now you need to mark the horizontal lines, so starting with the upper bust, you're gonna divide your across chest measurement by 2 and draw a line with the measurement like this. Next, take your bust circumference and divide it by 4. And then again, divide your waist circumference by 4, but this time add 3 centimeters or 1 inch to it for the dart. We need to find the nipple point next, so you're gonna divide your nipple to nipple measurement by 2 and draw this guideline here. Then you will draw a vertical line through the whole top, going from that new point. Then we need to create darts, so if you're working on a paper, mark 1.5 centimeter or half an inch on both sides of that vertical line that we just made. Do it on the top and on the bottom too. We don't want the nipple to be pointy on the garment, so you're gonna draw another 3 centimeter or 1 inch line, this time vertical, and with the middle sitting on the nipple point like this. Then you can draw the darts in. This is basically the pattern that I created for the dress that I sewed a couple weeks ago, but to make this look more similar to corset top, you're gonna divide the side panel into 2 panels. To make that, find the middle of that side panel and draw another vertical line through the whole thing. Here I added another 2 centimeter guidelines, but I changed it later, so draw a 2 centimeter line at the side seam, but only 1 centimeter one at the neckline. And you can make the neckline however you want really, but I just recommend dropping it here only 1 centimeter first, just so you are able to see how much boob coverage you have. Here is that guideline shortened, as you can see, but yeah, once you have that, you can draw in the curve of the neckline. Then you need to create another sort of dart to make that third panel. So you're gonna draw a 1.5 centimeter or half an inch horizontal guideline here. And you're gonna draw the side seam like this. You need to take away that bit that we just added. So you're gonna draw another 1.5 centimeter guideline like this. And you're gonna draw the new curve there. With that done, all you gotta do is connect the points. You can also change the neckline on the center front piece however you like. I just did this. As for the back, draw in the dart legs normally without curving them. Lower the back a little bit and move the center back seam away from the edge to make a space for either grommets or the loops for the tying. You can mark the loop or grommet placement if you want. And don't forget to add the horizontal line through the top for the notches. Once you have this, you can trace individual patterns with notches and add the seam allowance to it. And it's pretty much done. You can try and experiment with this pattern and change the way the neckline looks, or you can make it a bit longer at the front, or even move the tying detail to the front if you want. But yes, If you guys liked this video and it was helpful to you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel to see more sewing videos. And that's it for today. I'll see you next week. Bye!